About 1 cup of water. Wow, it's not wanting to mix. Still has some on the bottom.
But keep mixing till it's all dissolved.
Okay. So now, get a syringe.
Think about
That was a perfect. Okay. We're gonna leave my hair dry. This is not that good of a flat surface. Perfect.
What am I doing? Chocolate?
Oops. There we go. We got some extra Jello, so we're gonna pour it into here.
Now we're gonna let this sit for
10 minutes.
a while. No, more
Yeah.
than 10 minutes. A while. This will sit for a while and then we'll come back to it.
It's already setting up. It's already. That's why we make these gummy worms. It's really set up.
Move this hand. I need that dongle out of my cabin. All right.
Only on 1/2 the plate.
Can I eat this?
Mom, Wisdom wants you. Mom wants you. What are these?
Gummies?
How come they're so thin?
I don't know. She poured them in a pan. She had extras.
Regular pan.
She had extras.
Yeah, she put some in the gummy worms. And there's gummy worms and those.
Can I have one?
And that's it.
No.
So like,
Is
it on?
yeah.
Did that.
Spot directly below the breaker box, Dad?
Can I have one?
Yeah. Phil, where air's coming out?
No one.
Nope, I thought I was gonna get that one out whole.
Oops.
Don't touch, Haya. Don't touch.
Don't touch. You're gonna break them down.
Can I see the mold, Naomi?
Huh?
Can I see the mold?
Yeah.
Okay, Haya, I want you to back up and wait.
I never did this before.
I know, you'll have a turn in a little bit.
I can see this part of the plate.
Look, do you see something there?
Yes. She's gonna get it in a minute. like these ones are better, and the other ones are just like crumbly. Hopefully we get one out full.
Now I did it before.
Nice.
Why is there eyes?
Because it's wormies.
They're worms or snakes. Who knows?
Yeah.
They're
They're supposed to be gummy worms.
Did God made stuff that attack people?
He's saying, why did God make podcasts?
Oh, let's see.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.